In this video, we're going to go through what's in the box of this ScreenBeam 1000 EDU Gen 2. First, you're going to come across the welcome guide. On the welcome guide, you should see the URL and the QR code. Either one of these will take you to the product support page. Here you have the ScreenBeam 1000 EDU Gen 2 receiver. Next, you have the power adapter. This is the North America power adapter. If you have the international version, it will come up with a different plug type. Here you have the extra device label. It includes the serial number and the MAC address. This is useful when you deploy the product, as once you place this product or the receiver behind the TV or up on a projector, then you will have to look at this for the information. Right behind this lid, you'll find a 3-foot HDMI cable. And last, we include a magnetic mounting kit, including the instructions on how to mount it. Thank you for watching this video.